Good morning, boys and girls. Today you will be doing lesson 1.4, Your Family, for your Edgenuity reading lesson today. So, here, when you come here, you're going to go, after you've gone to your to-do list, you're going to come into lesson 1.4. So, remember, you're going to make sure you're clicking the listen button and it will read you the directions and what you are going to learn today. As you go down, you're going to make sure that you click on each picture and you learn about how some children get to school. When you've clicked on each of the pictures, you're going to come down here, make sure you click on this to listen to it and see what you are going to do today. You will still be practicing short A words. On the next slide, you are finding rhyming words. Remember, rhyming words sound the same at the end. Okay, so make sure you click here and then you can listen to the rhymes. Down here, you're playing a game. Remember, you can click on the blue box for directions or the green box, you can start to play the game. After you've played the game, go on to the next slide. Now you are practicing your sight words. Make sure you practice your sight words that you have already cut out. And then now you're going to come down here and you're going to practice some new ones. You might already know these, but it's still a good practice to read them and listen to them. After you are done, now you are going to cut out some more new sight words for the week. Those are in your English Language Arts workbook. When you go on, now we are going to continue practicing writing some sentences. Remember, incomplete or complete sentences. We did this last week also. Make sure you click on the listen button and you listen to all the directions and including the example so you know what a complete sentence is and what it is not. Okay? Now you will be typing in this box. You will type a sentence. If you don't want to type, you could always write on a blank piece of paper. When you are done with that activity, click Next. Then we are working on reading comprehension. Today you are going to compare the Ross family with the Swing family. Okay, you can click on right here and it will read it to you again if you need it. And then remember, you can click on the book just like that if you need to reread about the Swing family. Then down here, you are going to answer the question about the Swing family and the Ross family. There are a few questions, so make sure you answer them all. When you are done, go to that last slide. Now you are going to work on editing today. Remember, editing is when we fix to make sure we have punctuation in the correct spot, capital letters where they need to go, and if anything is spelled wrong. So this is what you are doing here today. And then when you are done with the entire activity, please come down here. This box will be blue right here where my mouse is. It says mark this activity complete. You must click on that blue box when you are all done to turn it into me. There are many of you that are not touching this button when you are done, so please make sure that you are choosing this when you are done. Now we are moving on to your math activity for today in Edgenuity. Today you will be doing one activity, which is a game, and it's called Fishing for Differences Online Practice. Today you will work on subtracting the numbers down here. Remember, you can use some of our counting up or our counting back strategies that we have worked on. We will review these before you do this independent practice in class today. You're going to subtract and find the answer. Up here, you see there are 20 problems that you need to complete. Once you've completed all 20 problems, remember you're going to, yes, that's right, you're going to come down to this box that will be blue on your side, and you're going to click on Mark this activity complete. Okay, there you go, friends. There are your two activities that you need to complete today for reading and math in Edgenuity.